What is up, people? We're back at it.
Finally, V is getting done. Fucking get back to her when she's running. Fingers crossed. Like that. But we got 8 gears and not 8 neutrals. Fingers crossed. Let's get it. Pitter patter. Let's get the fuck at it. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Finally back at it. Got the V on the chopping block. Transmission's in. Working on getting the headers back on the passenger side. Starter's in. Everything's buttoned up. All that's left is just the exhaust. And hopefully we can fire this thing up and see if it goes into gear. That's the biggest fucking question right now. So we'll see. So yeah, I'm just going to start working on this. So I'll get back to you once it's finished up and running. I don't know, as you can see, you gotta drop the headers in on the V from the top. So yeah, new spark plugs, new oil, new transmission rebuild. Things are looking good, so fingers crossed, hopefully today or tomorrow morning we'll have this thing running. Rogue Bear's working on this truck. Grindhard Plumbing, badass fucking guys over there playing on the TV. Less talking, more working.
All right, Billy, what are we doing?
This is the first startup after the rebuild. Fingers crossed. We've checked everything. Rogue Bear scanned it. So this is the make or break moment. Hasn't been started in about a year and a half, maybe a year and 2 months, maybe. Sorry. So, are you ready?
Absolutely. Probably kill it, Billy. Still gotta fill up the trans.
Why do you think it's running like that? I'll tell you why it's running like that, because this fucking idiot totally forgot that there's a fucking heat shield between the starter and the exhaust, the manifold. And guess what? I had decided to put one 10mm bolt in it, and it had slid down and was touching the positive terminal on the starter. So it was throwing the voltage up and down, up and down. That's why you hear it kick in and out. And it's a good thing that Rogan told me to shut it off, because honestly we were probably seconds away from frying every modular in that car. So, oh my god, I could hug him for days. Fucking legend. It's a good thing we did that. My bad, I messed up. We did end up jacking the car up, and I was looking for the problem because I didn't know at this point. And I just happened to grab the heat shield to wobble it, and fucking sparks are blazing everywhere, and next thing you know I'm like, ooh, there's your problem. So anyways, we did that, fixed it up. Lucky enough we had no issues, no problems or any wiring else, so we got lucky. But that's why I was running like that. And in the second clip we finally get it running perfect, get some heat into it, and all working out. So let's get right back at it.
What do we got going on, Bill?
Temp 2 fucking trannies filled up, 10 liters. Get this thing up to operating temperature and see if it's got gears. Got oil pressure.
Put it in drive. Yeah. Reverse. Got drive and reverse.
But it's not lurching. It went back to got good oil pressure. It's got gears. We're gonna get it up to temperature here. And hope for the best. No check engine lights.
What is up, people?
She's done. It works. Rogie Bear killed it. It has 8 gears, not 8 neutrals, as you can see in this next video. Stuck around this long, guys, thank you so much. It means a lot. And if you haven't, smash that subscribe button and bell button for all the videos coming up. I only managed to get a couple days at home, so I didn't manage to get so much footage, but I did manage to sneak away, get a couple of my buddies doing some hits out in Mexico with the cars. So we end the video off with a couple of those, and like always, I'll catch you on the next one.